This review is of Nature Valley Soft Bake Apple Cinnamon Muffin Bars. It's made with real fruit and whole grains, 8 grams of whole grains. And let's see, what else? No artificial flavors and colors, no high fructose corn syrup, yay. There's a little blurb for you there. It is box tops for school. That's about it. It has bioengineered food ingredients, unfortunately. It's a product of Canada. Nutrition facts. 1 bar has got 6 grams of fat, of which 1.5 is saturated, no trans fats or cholesterol, 170 milligrams of sodium, 23 grams of carbs, of which 4 are dietary fiber, 9 are sugars, of which 6 are added, and 2 grams of protein. Here are the ingredients. And this is vegetarian, not vegan. Let's give it a try. Smells good. Pretty nice, although I wish there was more cinnamon. I like that there are little pieces of fruit in it. I'll give this one a 7. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.